What's going on, investors? You know, I often see various commercials for Invesco QQQ, ticker symbol QQQ, and that's an exchange traded fund or ETF that's tracking the NASDAQ 100 top stocks. And I can tell you, man, I actually have some money invested in the QQQ, but I've heard on the streets that there may be a better ETF than QQQ. And what I want to do in this video is talk about which ETF may be just a little bit better than QQQ and how your boy is going to take some of his money and start entering a position and making moves with this exchange traded fund. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs, but more importantly, we show you how to invest on a dollar, whether you have $5, $10, $20 to invest. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. It is going to default to personalized. Make sure you select all. Hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you like the video. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, what I am going to be doing is going into my Robinhood account here and taking a good look. First, what I want to do is look at QQQ. I want to look at Invesco QQQ and see what it been doing lately and see if the investment or the ETF that I'm thinking about making a move in is better than QQQ. And I'm going to tell you what that investment is in just a few minutes. As you can see, Invesco QQQ is currently trading at $456.17. It is down 0.76% today. In the last week, it's up 0.02%. In the last month, it's up 5.61%. And in the last 3 months, it is up 4.10%. I don't look at this as a short-term purchase, so I'm not really worried about 3 months. I'm kind of just showing everyone in case you're looking at it as a short-term purchase. Year to date, it is up 12.41%. And in the last year, now I may hold this for a year, I may hold it for 5 years, but in the last year, it is up 29.41%. As we can see, Invesco QQQ or ticker symbol QQQ has been on an upward trend, a little slight down movement. That's when the market was down, and it's headed back up. Now, I currently have a little small amount of QQQ in my portfolio on Robinhood. It's currently worth $16.71. And today I'm down 13 cents, and total return is 11.08% since I made the purchase. Not bad. And I do own 0.036617 of a share. And my average cost is $410.74. And the price is currently $4.56. So had I been making more moves into this position, then obviously I would have made more money. What I want to do now is talk about the ETF that I'm looking at, possibly not taking my money out of QQQ, but actually start putting my money in this investment instead of QQQ and seeing how it will move and how much more money I could possibly make. Or should I stick with QQQ or should I invest in both? We're going to find out. But one thing I do want to look at, this exchange traded fund, QQQ does have 102 holdings, 102 different stocks. But I want to look at two things here. I want to look at the 30-day yield as far as dividends. It is 0.63. And I want to look at the expense ratio. How much does it cost for Invesco to manage the fund? It is 0.20. That's going to be important. Now, what am I thinking about making a move into? That is going to be ticker symbol QQQM or Invesco Exchange Traded Fund Trust 2 Invesco NASDAQ 100 ETF. A mouthful. So you can best believe I will always refer to this as QQQM. Now, as you can see, it is trading at a fraction of the price at $187.88, which I'm extremely cool with that because I'll be able to accumulate more shares. Instead of $400 and $456, I believe it was, I can get a share with $187.88, and that's going to fluctuate daily. But what I want to see right here is what has QQQM been doing? In the last week, it's up 0.09%. In the last month, it's up 5.7%. In the last 3 months, it's up 4.15%. Again, I'm not looking at this as a short-term hold, meaning I'm not going to sell it in the next 3 months. Year to date, up 12.48%. And in the last year, it's up 29.44%. Very close to QQQ, but I'm going to show you where the difference can come into play. I'm able with my investments to make more purchases, not more purchases, but own more stock because the stock is cheaper. So I've already made a move into this. We'll talk about that in a minute. But let's look at the top holdings of QQQM, and that is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Broadcom, Meta Platforms, which owns Facebook and Instagram, Alphabet Class A and C, which is Google's parent company, Costco, and Tesla. Now, what I really wanted to focus on was what I looked at with QQQ. The 30-day yield is 0.74, which is higher than QQQ when it comes to dividend payouts. And the expense ratio is 0.15, meaning it's going to be cheaper for Invesco to run this fund than it is QQQ. So right there, yes, the price of the ETF may be is not only cheaper, but I can also earn more dividends because I'm going to own more shares, and dividends are paid out per share. Well, what I want to do now is jump in here and purchase some QQQM shares and start making a move on this ETF, baby. What I am going to do is go ahead and buy some QQQM, and it's going to automatically set the buy order. We are trading in dollars because we are investing on a budget, and I have $10.77 worth of buying power available right here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just put $5. I'm curious to see how this position moves in the future. And what I'm really thinking about doing, as stated before, is I'm going to put some in QQQ and some in QQM. And after a certain amount of time, see exactly how these two are performing. So we have our $5 set. We're going to go ahead, review the order. It's telling me I'm going to get 0.02662 QQQM. Go ahead and press buy. And just like that, it is a done deal. Come down here. And I now have a market value of $15.02. And I have 0.07991 of a share. And I'm looking forward to see where this investment really go. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is that easy, as I always say, to go ahead and make your investment, whether it's a stock purchase, a crypto purchase, or in this case, an exchange traded fund or ETF purchase. Hey, do me a favor. Let me know. Have you heard of QQQM? Like I said, it was brand new to me. I had never heard of it. I've heard of QQQ. You see all the commercials that are on the TV, but I've never heard of this. Do you currently have this ETF in your portfolio? I'd love to hear about it. Please put it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure if you subscribe or if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure it's selected to all so you don't miss out on future videos or live streams. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you will be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, but more importantly, dropping more knowledge and showing you how to invest on a budget. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope you have a great rest of your week. And until the next time, peace.